stop. I know why you're here. You want to make some mad gains. You want to make hella profits from your trading, and you want to do it by swing trading. Well, guess what? You're in the right place. This is the only channel that gives you real-time updates of swing trading day by day. All you have to do is follow my YouTube shorts and you know exactly what I'm doing. This is not a gimmick. This is not a scheme. I'm not some guru. I don't have some program. I don't even have a website. I'm just some guy who likes to swing trade, pretty good at it, and I want to share with you exactly how I do it day by day. And today I'm going to give you a bonus, and I'm going to show you my exact chart setup so that you can set up your chart exactly like mine. So when you hit those trades, it looks exactly like mine. But before I show you this, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I don't charge anything for this. I'm sharing with you my knowledge, so it would really help me out to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. All right, mad traders, let me show you exactly how I set up my chart so you can do the exact same thing. Here I'm looking at M2K. This is an instrument I recently traded. Right now it's on the default setting. Let me show you step by step how I do this. So first thing I do is I go up here and I choose Heikin Ashi. I love Heikin Ashi. It just makes the trend so much clearer, and when you're swing trading, you're all about that trend. Next thing I do is change the colors. I like a black and white chart. If you notice on my videos, I really like black and white candles. It just makes it clean, but you can choose whatever color you like. This is how I do mine. So my down bars are black and my up bars are white, and all the borders are black. So that's just preference. Next thing I do, the only indicator I use, and this is optional too. Heikin Ashi itself is such a powerful trend indicator that you don't even really need this if you don't want it, but I just use it just to kind of give me a nice gauge of whether we're going up or down. So here I'm gonna go to indicators and type in Hull and click Hull moving average. And then I'm gonna change the settings a little bit. I'm gonna make it the 26. That just kind of gives me a nice clean setup here. You can see when it starts to go long, it holds above the hull nicely. You can get out here when it pulls back and then continue up. And you can adjust this length too. If you want to do, for instance, 20, and that makes it a little tighter. If you want to go a little higher to 36, see what that does. It's just kind of up to you. This indicator is not really the driving tool that I use for trading. It's mostly just the Heikin Ashi candles, how big the candles are, and just knowing what the trend is. So there you go. All right, so set up your chart just like that and stay on top of my YouTube shorts and you'll know exactly what to do. Mad trades, let's make gains.